Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. Welcome to our podcast. I'm Ernie, your guide on this knowledge management adventure. Today we are diving into the chapter 5.6. Stick with us guys. It's going to be fun, informative and maybe a little nerdy but in a good way. First, let's kick things off by introduce our awesome crew. First, Nazmin,
Hi everyone, my name is Nazmin.
then Ajwad,
Hi. Hello guys, I'm Ajwad.
next Firdaus,
Hi. My name is Firdaus.
and last but definitely not least is Uzma.
Hi, I'm Uzma.
Great guys, today we are chatting about knowledge management, what it is, why it's matter, and some real life example you will actually want to remember. And don't worry, I promise it won't sound like a boring lecture. Okay, teams, let's warm up. When you heard about knowledge management, what pops into your mind? Maybe we can start with you first, Ajwad.
Sure, Ernie. Alright, in a simple word, knowledge management or the short form is KM is a process used by organization to manage and share important knowledge or information that they have. It will help the employees access the important or the useful information that easily and improve their work performance. That's all from my side.
Oh, so it basically all the company info, tiny up so everyone can find what they need.
Yeah, correct, Ernie. Exactly. This information, the public one will store the information such as document, report, training material, and work procedures that can be publicly found.
Oh, right, I see. But I think this is very important because organization deal with a lot of information every day, right?
Correct, Naus. Without the proper knowledge management, information can become easily messy and difficult to be found. Like, like we arrange what we have at the house. Alright?
Also, companies may lose valuable knowledge when experienced worker resign or retire.
Exactly. Sometimes senior employees know many things from their experience, but if they don't share their knowledge, new employees may struggle.
Oh, exactly. So knowledge management help organizations save, organize, and share useful knowledge, keeping everything neat and accessible. Next is type of knowledge. Firdaus, can you list it down for us?
Sure. Okay, thank you, Ernie and everyone. Okay. There's two types of knowledge, which is explicit knowledge and tacit knowledge. First, explicit knowledge, it's mini knowledge that is written, recorded, and also easy to share with the others.
Got it. Explicit is like the user manual. All the instructions are spelled out.
Yeah. For examples, there are manuals, reports, database, employees, handbooks, and also training videos.
Oh, so basically that was the document that anything related with the company, documented by the company, right?
Yeah, I know exactly. Employees can easily access and learn from it.
What about tacit knowledge?
Okay, good question, Azmi. Basic knowledge is about personal knowledge that comes from experience, skills, and ideas. It is usually difficult to explain or to write down.
Oh, like when senior workers know faster ways to solve problem because they have worked so for many years.
Yeah, that's true, Uzma. Basic knowledge is usually develops through experience.
Oh, basic knowledge is like the secret sauce of the company. You cannot just Google it. You have to experience it and sometimes learn it from the prop.
Yeah, I agree, Ernie. But that's right. That's why organization encourage teamwork and knowledge sharing session.
For example, companies may organize workshop or mentoring session for new employees.
Exactly, sharing knowledge help everyone level up, fewer mistakes, and better performance. Alright, let's talk about tech. Knowledge management system or we call KMS. Maybe Nazmin, can you share it?
Sure. Knowledge Management System, also known as KMS, refer to technologies used by organizations to manage and share their knowledge.
So basically KMS is the company's app store of wisdom. What kind of tech are we talking about?
Companies use technologies such as the internet, intranet, databases, cloud storage, and internal communication systems.
So it's basically the employee can quickly access the information whenever, wherever they need it, right? That's mean.
Exactly, Ajwad. KMS makes communication and information sharing easier and more faster.
But Nazmin, I think many modern companies depend heavily on this system, right?
Correct? For example, companies like Google and Microsoft use KMS to improve their teamwork and collaboration among employees.
Oh, besides that, MS also help employees work more efficiently because important information is already stored in the system, right?
Yeah, it also can save time, Uzma, because the employee do not need to search the information manually. Just a tip of the fingertip, they can find it.
Exactly. KMS is having a super organized brain for the entire company. Everyone knows where to find the info.
Yeah, I agree that another advantage is that organization can update information more easily.
Yes, employees can also refer to the latest information and guidelines.
Okay, guys, let's we go to the final stop. The KMS cycle. Uzma, can you share it?
Okay, thank you, my lovely Ernie Safika. Okay, thank you, Ernie. The MS cycle consists of 6 important steps. The first step is create knowledge.
Ah, this is where ideas start flowing and the magic happen, right?
Yeah, of course, organization create new ideas, information, or solution to improve their business performance.
Is for example, Uzma, that I can give is employee may create a new marketing strategy or better work method, right?
Yes, Ajwa, of course, exactly. The second step is to capture knowledge organization, collect useful information from employees, customer, or business activity.
Oh, okay, so meaning that companies can gather more information that can help improve the organization.
Yeah, correct, Daus. The third step is to refine knowledge. This means the information is organized and improved to make it more useful.
Like filtering unnecessary information and keeping only useful knowledge.
Yeah, Nazmin, of course. The first step is store knowledge. Information is stored in systems such as database or cloud storage.
So anytime someone needs it, it's right there. No more endless email. Just look that infancy.
Yeah, exactly, Ernie. The fifth step is to manage knowledge. Organization make sure the information is updated and properly controlled.
But I think Uzma, this step is the most important because outdated information can cause confusion, right, Uzma?
Yeah, I agree with you. Lastly, the final step is disseminate knowledge. This means sharing information with employees throughout the organization.
For example, companies can share training videos, soft skills, or company guidelines to online platforms, right?
Yes, it's good as an example now.
And that's the KMS cycle, a complete system to make sure knowledge doesn't just exist, but gets used and shared. So neat, right?
Agreed. Without proper knowledge management, organization may lose valuable information and face communication problems.
Alright, everyone, that's a wrap up our knowledge management deep dive.
Today, we have learned that knowledge management can help the organization manage and share the important information to the subordinate effectively.
Yeah, Ajwad. We also discuss the difference between explicit knowledge and also tacit knowledge.
Besides that, guys, knowledge management system or KMS help improve communication, teamwork, and productivity.
And lastly, the KMS cycle helps organization create, store, manage, and share knowledge systematically.
Thanks for the tuning in, everyone. Hope you had fun and learned something new. Remember, knowledge is power, but shared knowledge is superpower. Catch you next time. Stay curious and keep learning, guys. Bye.
Bye. Thank you all.